Greetings. The American company SpaseX launched Starlink satellite internet in Georgia. There are currently more than 5,100 Starlink satellites in orbit. The Georgian team won 5 gold and 1 bronze medal at the European Kudo Championships in Lithuania. Restoration work of the Narikala fortress in Tbilisi, one of the most beautiful places with many tourists, will be completed in June 2025. Japanese journalists from the popular Japanese publication transit toward the regions of Georgia and got acquainted with the country's tourism potential. A new 27-kilometer section of the Rikoti Expressway was opened at the Rikoti Pass, connecting western and eastern Georgia. The technical staff of the Tbilisi Opera and Ballet Theatre went on strike. They demand higher wages. Ukraine wants the post of President of Georgia to be reoccupied by the country's ex-president Mikhail Saakashvili, who is currently in prison in Georgia. By the way, while in prison he broke the country's record for the number of visitors. In 2 years, Saakashvili received almost 2,700 visitors. This year, oil production in Georgia has increased by 200% and will reach 40,000 tons by the end of the year. And gas production has increased by 140% and will reach 18 million cubic meters by the end of the year. Baobabs, ordered by billionaire Bidzina Ivanishvili, were delivered from Kenya to the port of Poti on a ship. Construction of a new building of the Azerbaijan Drama Theatre named after Haydar Aliyev has begun in Tbilisi. On the occupied territory of Georgia, in the village of Tbilisi, South Ossetia, a monument to the President of the Russian Federation appeared. The bronze sculpture of Putin in a kimono was installed by the former head coach of the Russian freestyle wrestling team. Good luck to all of you.